Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming identity and account details because carriers will verify ownership. Have the SIM ICSID and the account number visible. Also keep your government ID ready for photo or reference. Once done, sign into the carrier portal or open the support chat. This proves you control the account. Make sure the phone number is listed and note any active service or contract end dates. These affect deactivation options and potential fees. You now request deactivation through the chosen channel. State clearly you want the SIM number deactivated. Provide the ICSID, account PIN, and ID details when asked, because carriers log these to confirm consent. Once the agent acknowledges, choose immediate deactivation or a scheduled date. Make sure to ask about prorated charges and remaining device financing. If using an app, follow the on-screen flow and capture confirmation screen. You finish by verifying the SIM is inactive. Restart the device and confirm there is no network service. Make a quick test call or data check if possible. Save the confirmation number, screenshot the status, and note the agent's name. If the SIM still registers or you get billing after deactivation, contact support immediately and request escalation. If unresolved, visit a carrier store with your ID and confirmation. That escalation step usually resolves mismatches fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.